Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. So today we are going to show you a procurement dashboard that we recently made for one of our clients. A procurement dashboard is a visual tool that provides an overview of a company's procurement activities and performance, including metrics like supplier performance, spend analysis, and purchase order management. By consolidating this data, it helps procurement managers make informed decisions, identify trends, and address issues promptly. Its importance lies in enhancing visibility, transparency, efficiency, and cost savings, enabling businesses to monitor supplier relationships, optimize strategies, ensure policy compliance, and improve resource management and strategic planning. So, for this dashboard, we have made three slicers or filters that you can see. First of all, shows us the years, the second one shows us the quarters, and then the third one shows us all the months that we want to visualize. And then we have some visuals. One of it is a purchase price visual, which is using a line chart to display the trend over time, helping to visualize the fluctuations in the total amount spent on procurement. And then after that, we have another visual, which is received item. So it is going to show us all the items that we have received in quarter 4 of 2022 in the month of October, which is showing us 2384 items in form of a bar chart. And then we have another visual, which is also a bar chart, which is showing us all the items we have purchased and then all the item we have got in the orders visual. And then another visual which we have is cost visual, which is basically a line chart that tracks the cost trend over time, allowing for the monitoring of expenditure changes. And then another visual we have is average cost, which is displayed through a line chart to show how the average cost fluctuates over time. And then we have another visual, which is a cost trend visual. It is providing an overview of all the procurement cost trends depicted by a line chart with a trend line that highlights fluctuations and the general direction of cost movements. And then we have material distribution visual, which is a pie chart, and it is showing us the proportion between the purchased item and received item. And then we have another visual, which is a bar chart, and it is high cost materials. So as you can see that our highest cost material is steel, followed by satin, and then flint, and our lowest cost material is denim, which is priced at $11,000 total cost. And then we have another visual, which is purchase order over time. It displays the number of purchase orders over time, enabling the analysis of ordering patterns. After that, we have the visual order by week, which is showing us that in which week we received how many orders. So it is basically a breakdown of orders by each week, providing a granular view of the procurement activity on a weekly basis. For example, in the week number 41, we received 20 orders, and then in week 45, we received 3 orders. So, overall, this was the dashboard. It is giving us an extensive overview of procurement matrix through various visualizations. I hope you like this dashboard. See you in the next video.